Hello class and welcome back. In this video we're going to create an enumeration named planet that holds the names of the 8 planets in our solar system, RIP Pluto, starting with Mercury and ending with Neptune. Write a program named planets that prompts the user for a numeric position and display the name of the planet that is in the requested position. Okay, so let's go to new project solution and we're going to call this one planets. Next, we're going to be using system, using static system.console. We're going to create our class of planets, open and close curly brace. And here we're going to have a enumeration of planet. And we're going to have our main method. So static void main. So this is kind of our format for what we're going to be doing. Let's see here. 8 planets in our solar system. So we're going to start with planet number 1, Mercury. So Mercury, make sure I spell it right. Mercury is going to equal 1. After Mercury, there is Venus. After Venus, there is Earth. After Earth, there's Mars. After Mars, there is, I don't know. I think it's Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Give me a second. I'm going to go check and see if I got the right order. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, I was right. I was worried that I had Jupiter and Saturn mixed up for some reason. Okay, so this is our planet enumeration. And what we're going to do is we're going to have an int for the planet number. And from planet, we're going to just do planet name. And then we're going to prompt our user for the planet number. So we're going to do a write line. We're going to ask our user to enter the planet number. And whatever they enter in, is going to be the planet number. And it is going to be equal to convert dot to int 32 read line. So now we have that. And we're going to our planet name is going to be equal to our planet, sorry, I need a parenthesis, our planet enumeration, wherever the planet number is. And then we just tell our user what it is. So we're going to do a write line. We're going to let our user know that, again, I'm going to do a $sign, placeholder. We're going to say planet name is planet number. We're going to do a planet number. And that should be it. Let's go ahead and run it. Let's do 1. Mercury is planet number 1. Let's do 3. Make sure Earth is there. Earth's still a planet. Let's do 9. 9 is planet number 9. Pluto's no longer there. All right, let me know if you have any questions over this exercise, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day.